Welcome back to today's project. It's Friday afternoon and I just got off work. I'm loading up some white oak for a cooking wood delivery scheduled for tomorrow morning. I'm using these 1/3 cord log lift bags and the Knuckle boom truck to deliver. If you're new to the channel, this is a 2012 Ford F550 4x4 with a Fassi F50 knuckle boom crane. The crane runs off the truck's PTO, activated by a switch in the cab. It has controls on both sides of the truck for easy operation in most scenarios. The boom is telescoping with an overall reach of about 20 feet. It can lift around 2,700 pounds when not extended, and around 1,500 when fully extended. Perfect for these 1/3 cord firewood bags that weigh in around 1,500 pounds, depending on moisture content. We fabricated these racks to hold the firewood bags for easy loading, both by hand like we're doing today, or behind the processor or splitter and conveyor. Just connect the hooks to the lift straps and the bag slides right off. The truck will comfortably hold 4 bags at a time and is really stable with that load. So today's 2-bag delivery is a walk in the park. That was easy. Now to get it strapped down. Pretty simple. I run the straps through the lift loops on the bags and cross them on the ends. All loaded up and ready to go. I'll park this in my driveway tonight so I can roll out early to beat the heat and the traffic tomorrow.
Early the next morning.
little caffeine, check the straps, and we're on the road. Beautiful sunrise this morning with all the Canadian wildfire smoke. This is a local farm that has loads of family-friendly activities and a fantastic barbecue vendor. We bring them wood about every 2 weeks during the busy season. The farm does a great business and is usually packed after 8 a.m., so it's best to get this one done early. First up is a quick consolidation of the remaining wood to make room for the new wood. This is all white oak. Good heat with that mild classic smoke flavor. Great for barbecue. Now that we've made some room, let's fly the bags in place. Shameless plug time. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider doing so. We post new videos every week. And don't forget to hit the like button and introduce yourself down in the comments. I try my best to respond to all of them. These log lift 1/3 cord firewood bags work really great for us, as well as our customers. They hold an ideal amount of wood for delivery, are great for storing and drying wood, and especially in this case, great for advertising. They're made out of a really strong poly material on two sides and the bottom, and have a woven mesh on the other two sides. This allows for great airflow and breathability through the bags. We store them right on pallets, off the ground, and never have issues with wet spots or mold. Residential customers love them because there's no mess left in their driveway from dumping, and restaurant customers like that the bags offer compact storage without having to stack and handle the wood. We love them because one person can deliver 4 face cord in one trip without touching a single piece of wood. Well, that's pretty much it for this delivery. Finished just in the nick of time as folks are starting to fill up the parking lot. With all the activities the farm offers, it fills up pretty quickly on a nice summer weekend. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next project.